Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and no matter what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. I know this is kind of blurry or grainy. Let's see. I'm gonna turn the light on. I'm gonna wait a moment though. Because technically I'm not supposed to have the light on. Okay. So I just wanted to say this really quickly. Because like I said, I am driving. So I may have explained this before, but I'm not sure. I'm going to explain it again though. Most of the delivery drivers that you see driving for Amazon are not actually Amazon employees. They work for what is called a DSP, or Delivery Service Partner. So basically, an independent contractor or an independent logistics company or contractor, independent owner, operator, however you want to refer to it, right? Basically, a logistics company is in partnership with Amazon to hire drivers to drive Amazon branded trucks and vans. And then you also have flex drivers. So the delivery service partners, again, this is an independent contractor that is in partnership with Amazon to hire drivers. So that means that the drivers who work for the logistics company do not technically work for Amazon. Amazon makes the rules. Amazon provides branded vehicles. But they are not actually employees of Amazon. There are certain rules that the delivery drivers have to follow as determined by Amazon, not the delivery service partner necessarily. Of course, the delivery service partner may have their own rules, but for the most part, all the rules come from Amazon. Amazon's corporate office, or Jeff Bezos, however you want to look at it, right? So one of the things that we cannot do, or two of the things we cannot do, is Amazon is not supposed to put any packages in a mailbox, because mailboxes are owned by the post office. So that would be considered a federal crime to tamper with a mailbox, whether you work for Amazon or not. I think that is a very well-known fact that you cannot tamper with a federal mailbox, right? Or mail. Now, a lot of the apartment complexes nowadays have what are called lockers. Now, because the post office has been delivering packages for so long, it seems that maybe the post office thinks that those lockers belong to the post office, but the post office does not own lockers. The post office owns mailboxes. So I had someone try to get me to return some packages back to Amazon that were in lockers because the person thought they were owned by the mailbox. But those packages have been marked delivered by another Amazon driver. We're not allowed to take those packages back. There's a separate division of Amazon that will come pick up packages, but there's a number that has to be called and a process that has to be followed. But your driver who is delivering packages, that is their only job, is to deliver packages. They cannot take packages back. So even if the package was put in the incorrect place, someone from Amazon, again, a separate entity, would need to be called to come pick those packages up, unless a good Samaritan decides to deliver those packages to whoever the package belongs to. So technically, someone who works for the post office should not be tampering with Amazon packages, just like someone from Amazon or UPS or DHL should not be tampering with post office packages. So I just wanted to say that, because it seems like it's not clear as to the boundaries that, we all have in terms of being separate companies or entities and who we're actually employed by. So I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.